Welcome back to BlauDev. Today we're going to go over haptic feedback and how to give vibration to buttons in Flutter. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can get weekly Flutter content. The first thing we want to do for haptic feedback is we want to make sure we import the services class. So we're going to say let's just say services. And the reason for this is haptic feedback depends on this package in order to run. And then all we have to do is inside the button that we want to call haptic feedback, all we have to do is say haptic feedback dot, and then we have the 5 different options for different types of haptic feedback that we want to give. And basically this is just going to modify, it's going to change the feel of the vibration that the user feels. Typically, I always rely with heavy impact. However, I strongly recommend that you test out the different kinds and see which one you feel would work best for your user. Unfortunately, there's no way to test this in an emulator. You will need to hook up your device in order to know what the feel is like. Another thing to note is that this is only going to work for iOS as is right now. To make it work for Android, we need to go into our Android folder, App, Source, Main, and then find the Android manifest.yaml file, XML. Then what we need to do is we need to take the following line of code, and I will put this in the description below so you can just copy and paste it. And we want to place this inside of our manifest tag. So we can place this anywhere inside of here. Uses permission, Android name, android.permission.vibrate. And this is just going to give the Android app the ability to activate that vibration. And that's all you have to do. And so when the user will click on this button, they will feel that heavy impact from haptic feedback. It's as simple as that. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them below. If you like this video, found it useful, make sure you click that like button. And as always, I'll catch you guys next time.